If you're trying to update to Windows version 22H2 and you get the error code 0x80070001, this could mean that the update process was interrupted because a file needed by Windows Update is likely damaged or missing. In the first solution, we'll repair and restore the system files on your PC. In the following solution, you will copy and paste the commands that you'll find in the description of this video. These commands will attempt to repair your Windows Update database.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
In the next solution, we're going to run an in-place upgrade. This process will upgrade your device to the latest version and repair all issues without deleting any files. This will repair corrupt system files, apps, and even incompatible drivers on the system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.